Fun fact, I used to play tennis. All right, so it's been a little bit since I've done a vlog. I also wanted to do a bit of a channel update because I feel like I sort of owe some explanations as to what's going on the channel. We're also going to talk about some things that I recently launched, and I'm going to fly some quads, show you my sort of progress in FPV. Let's get started. Alrighty, so for the past couple of months, I have been cranking out videos pretty much daily, like probably more so than any other drone content creator. I would put out almost a video a day, but I was starting to get burned out, and primarily because my business was getting so busy and I couldn't do both. So you may have noticed that like I'm only putting out like 2 videos and a live stream a week, and that's really what I feel comfortable with doing right now. So I guess what I want to know from you guys is what sort of content you want to see, because what I want to do is sort of be able to bring you more content, but be able to bring it in the lines of what I'm already doing. So I've been doing a lot of real estate stuff lately, so I figured I'd like to expand on the tutorials, because I think a lot of you guys want to make money with your drone, or maybe you have a camera and you sort of like lost on how to do it still. So I figure maybe some more tutorials and expand on the series that I've started would be cool. But let's go ahead and get a drone up in the air right now. Fuck me. Fuck. I think I accidentally disarmed it. Shit. Oh, I did. I accidentally disarmed it. But you know what? Ain't mad. Battery came out, which means it's not going to overheat. And God, I love FPV quads. There's freaking no damage. I think that's the coolest part. I just built this one. This was my slam version, and I converted it over to DJI FPV. I think it's flying pretty good. That's crazy. I disarmed from about like 30 feet up. Whew. All right, so that was sort of unfortunate. I recently switched over to the Taranis X9D Plus, and I put the switch in a spot where I can safely disarm like pretty much almost immediately, and that's literally what I just did. I disarmed in the air. I'm glad I wasn't over the lake. That would have really sucked. But that was actually pretty good for the first pack. That was actually really, really good. So yeah, this one here, I cannibalized my Xylo Slam. This used to be a Slam frame, and then I converted it over to digital. I'm just slowly but surely converting all things to digital because it just flies so well. It's nice to not have all that crazy breakup. I don't think I bent any props on that crash, which is surprising. I thought for sure I would have bent the prop. I didn't. I think it hit the ground and rolled into the fence. It did lose the battery, but not a big deal. No other damage to be reported, which is really good. So I think all in all, that's a win. I still have my other quad I'm gonna fly. I just recently tuned all these again, so we'll see how that does. I may put a pack in the other one. So all right, let's get another pack in the air. Oh shit. I was really trying to avoid any sort of repairs or like major purchases before going to Tennessee, but this is going to be unavoidable. I hit that pillar so hard. Look at how bad this is. I don't know if it's probably not showing on video well, but you can actually see the frame is actually really tweaked. The top and bottom plate is absolutely tweaked. I don't know. Oh man, that sucks. I guess I could still fly it like that, right? I mean, it's not terrible. Camera angle is definitely off now, but that's to be expected. This has been a good frame. Arms are good. I just need to maybe buy the bottom or just leave it. Maybe I'll just leave it and just use it. But that. Oh, all right. Well, we broke two out of 2, but you know, if you're not breaking things, you're not trying things. So easy repair. This one will be back up and operational very quickly. This one, I don't even know if they sell that top plate. I hope they do, because I don't want to have to take apart the bottom. I really don't want to have to take that apart. I don't really have time to be messing with that, and it flies really good. Although I did notice the PIDs are a little faster on the orange one than it is on my Xylo. So I'll have to fix that, because I want them to be the same. So when I go from one to the other, it's like sort of the same experience, mostly. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you found this video fun, just like a little different. I just wanted to get outside, start filming, and just honestly just sort of talk to you guys. So let me know what type of content you want to see. Again, members, I'll have a link in the bottom if you want to join the membership. There will be a link down there to join. Right now, I think we have 37 or 40 members currently. So the streams are going to get pretty busy. So it's going to be up to 10 people. First come, first serve. I may limit the time that you can spend on there so we can get more people to come onto the stream. And I'm going to try to aim for at least 2-hour-long streams at least. So I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, as far as content goes, I'm going to limit it to 2 videos a week going forward. That's all I can commit to until the real estate shit simmers down. So, alrighty. I will talk to you guys later, and as always, stay original. such a good frame too.